Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day 1. No, it's day 1. Yeah, day 1. Wesley's here. Her brother went back to the hospital today. Be in prayer for Riker. I'm not going to say what's going on because it's not my business, but just pray for him. And she's excited. She got her rocking chair. Her little rocker. I stained the same color as mine and Shannon's. But I wanted to invite y'all to Vlogmas Day 1. And also, if you're new here, my name is Charity. I'm a mommy of 4 girls and only one still lives at home. I'm married to my husband of almost 15 years. Shannon, don't kick the cat. That's not nice. Weslyn is one of the kids that I keep during the day for a friend of mine. And we just moved into this house. And now we're having to move again. So, if you are excited to see what happens in this craziness, just stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's see what else. Do all the things down below. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, all them things. So, alright. Here's the video. I love you guys. Bye. Ooh, I'm blurry. Okay. Ah, there we go. Okay. So, me and Angela, down there. We are painting ornaments and we are fixing to put in these little advent things. There's 25, is that right? 24 little houses. And I'm fixing to put some little treats in there for Michaela, so each day she gets to get one. And if you've never done an advent calendar, it's really fun. Hey, and get away from the balls. I hope I can edit that out. Anyway, so Angela is painting all the ornaments that were silver and some that were like a dull silver. Some are glittery and some are not. So what she's doing is painting them white with chalk paint, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them because they do not make cow print ornaments that I can find. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just drawing them on with a Sharpie, and then I'm gonna paint them with black chalk paint. So that's that, and then I'll show you. This is just a little ball from the Dollar Tree. Hopefully that will focus in a minute. Okay, come on, focus. Okay, so it's not focusing. There we go. Okay, so I just took a Sharpie and Sharpied a cow print onto it, and I think it turned out really, really cute. And then I also have these that used to be like the silver and white, and I just took a Sharpie to those too. So that one used to look like this. I know I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. It's ADHD. Sorry. But this is what that one used to look like. If it will focus. Focus. I guess it's just like me. Focus. Okay. Anyway. And then I'm going to do these little flowers here. I'm going to try and cow print those. So you see I stuttered there. That means I don't have too much faith in myself to do that. But that's what we're doing. And we're going to put up our Christmas tree. And that's all garland just about. Except for the tree is in this bag. The flocked part is my Christmas tree. So, that's what we're doing. I'm going to set you up and let you watch us. look how cute they turned out. And Xavier's still in the same spot, but look how cute those are. I love them. And then I have some ornaments over there, but they're not gonna be cow print. This color black, and this one I did do the cow print on, and it's so cute. These are from Dollar Tree. And then I got a little lantern. Well, that's my lantern. A little lantern. Vlogmas Day 1. If you did, come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. Like, share, and subscribe. And also, thank you so much to my new subscribers and my current subscribers. I love you all. Good night.